Hello, today I'm in Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To use front wipers, simply push the lever once upwards to use it in auto mode. Auto mode can be adjusted on the switch located on the top of the lever. If you push it again upwards, you will use it in slow mode and again in fast mode. Also, you can use the front wipers in mist mode by pulling it downwards once. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.